Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can export layers to separate files in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that all of the layers that you want to export are visible, and then hide any layers that you don't want exporting, like background images, or just any layers you don't want to export. Once you've done that, go up to the top left and click on File, and then click on Export, and then we need to click Layers to Files. Once you're here, you need to choose a destination where you want everything to go. I'm going to choose the desktop, and I'm going to make a new folder. Now we can choose the file name, and we can choose to export just the visible layers only, and we can also change the file type to whatever you want. Then once you're happy with all that, click run and let Photoshop do its thing. Now the layers were successfully exported, we can click OK, minimize Photoshop and open up the new folder, and here we can see all of the files have been exported. So that's how you export all of the different layers in Photoshop to different images. If this video did help you out, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.